How to make a Chinese lantern. Here is what you'll need. Take your PVA glue, red card, ribbon, sellotape, scissors and glitter to decorate. Take your card and carefully fold it lengthways in half. Once you've done this, use your scissors to cut up the folded edge about 3 centimeters apart. Make sure you don't cut all the way to the other edge of the card. Open it out flat and then you're ready to start decorating. Take your PVA glue and your glitter and get to work. Using your glue, make a long line down one of the slits of your card. Then take your glitter and sprinkle generously over the top. Using your ribbon, take your glue again and make a long strip all along the top and bottom of your card. Place your ribbon carefully on and press down firmly to make sure it's in place. When you've done this, top and bottom, you're ready to stick your lantern together. Take your sellotape and cut off a small piece to attach both sides of your lantern together like this. Take your last piece of ribbon and make your handle. Now your lantern is finished.